this goes to the back. This is how I got caught the first time. time to try this t-shirt. We are going to wear it, take a picture and share with you.
Hi guys, the project is completed. I'm sharing the result with you here. You can see I'm wearing the t-shirt and with a printed part on them. I'm relying on you to get your feedback, your comment, and let me know what you think about the result as well.
The strap turned out pretty well on the short sleeve area, both of them. The logo
also came out pretty well. However, the text is very tiny. It's difficult to read. That's something we need to figure out a better way of doing also. At the back side, I cannot see by myself how it looks, so I'm relying on you to comment to let me know how it looks in the back. But this is what it is. This is what it is. You will tell me how it looks. But my takeaway from this project is a project like this, 3D printing something and glue them on the fabric. It's not very sustainable. You cannot wash this type of fabric and still you're gonna wear it again. The glue will come off. So my challenge for next time is to figure out a better glue that is designed for fabric and is waterproof. I also need to figure out how 3D printed part can sustain water. I will need to do some testing, print things and put them in water in the washer machine and see how they will react. I need to know if we are able to print something, put them on a shirt and be able to wash it, because for something that people wear on daily basis, you need to be able to wash it and clean them and wear them again.
But right now, with this project, you're not gonna be able to wash it. You can use things like this for cosplay, for one-time showcase project. You want to convey a concept, an idea, a fashion design idea, whatever you want. You can do it this way, showcase and explain and show people what the idea is about. But you won't be able to wear this on the daily basis and wash it. It's not gonna sustain at all. So we need to figure out a way to make 3D printing parts washable. You can wash them and still wear them and still be able to have the same clothes, look the same way, and not worry about damaging the printing. That's an experiment I'll do next time, and I'll be sharing both experimentation and result with you on my YouTube channel here. I hope you guys stay tuned, keep tracking my content here, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.